Let's get to another talkback message here brought to us by our friends at One Team Media. All you have to do is download our free iHeartRadio app, hit the talkback microphone, and you can make the show. Let's hear from our friend Sam.
Hey, Mikey and Bob, Sam here. The girl who called in and said the chiropractor's her worst fear of a fart.
Yeah, we were doing last week on the show, top 5 worst places to fart. Somebody said the chiropractor.
There are so many videos online of people being cracked at the chiropractor and farting.
Yep.
So have fun with that.
Mm-hmm.
Have a good one. Love you guys.
All right, Bob has gone to TikTok.
Yeah.
To now find, there's multiple on there. I mean, you
best chiropractor farts, this one's just called.
Oh, man, it's the best ones?
Yes,
so these aren't even like marginal or like chiropractor farts that are kind of funny.
Top of the mountain here.
This is TikTok telling you these are the best farts from. And listen, I know that these can be fake. Everything on the internet can be fake nowadays. Let's all just wipe our minds of that, though, and go, these are all real, legit whoopsies at the chiropractor. Okay?
Yep.
The best ones ever, according to TikTok. Let's see here.
Relax all the way.
All right, and we're off to a strong start here with the first one,
I love the relax all the way.
See, that's what
asked for it.
That's what makes a good chiro fart video. You have to hear the chiropractor giving some sort of instruction.
His
Like,
voice was so
breathe
calm.
in.
Relax all the way.
I mean, he asked for that. He said relax all the way.
Beautiful movement.
Good, let this relax here. Just kind of sink in. Good, just like that.
Okay, go ahead and relax. Oh, but not that relaxed.
All right, now that guy can't have that reaction if you're a chiropractor.
Oh!
If you're a chiropractor, you have to be used to the chiropractic farts. You can't act like it's the first one you heard because that's just going to embarrass the person, and not everybody's going to laugh at a chiropractor fart.
Okay, go ahead and relax. Oh, but not that relaxed.
All right, we can't have that. You can't say not that relaxed.
Oh!
And out.
Chin up a little bit, and then open your mouth a little bit.
I mean, that one can't be real, right? Again, this is just
How can you crack that out of somebody's body?
TikTok's best compilation of chiropractor gas.
Chin up a little bit, and then open your mouth a little bit.
Open your mouth a little bit.
Came out the wrong end.
All right, you can't be doing that at the chiropractor, telling them to open their mouth a little bit.
You opened the front door, the back door just blew open.
Oh God, I can taste it. I got one more, okay?
Okay.
I got one more chiropractor fart from TikTok's best chiro fart compilation.
One more time, and
What a noise! You can hear the first crack.
one more time, and
This is one of the funniest noises I've ever heard in my entire existence as a human being.
one more time, and
Okay, the person that's being cracked, you can tell, has already gotten one crack.
One too many.
One more time. Yep, it was one crack too many.
one more time, and
That's a good one.